What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is day 10 of quarantine and there still ain't shit to do. So today me, Dallas, and everyone else are planning to do a little car video on Dallas's car, but we really can't go out, but we're gonna try to make it work. So right now I'm going to head over there, and if this camera could stay still I could tell you what else is going on. Awesome. But yeah, supposedly we're supposed to do a video, and that's how bored we are. Yesterday I was balancing a chair literally in Dallas's garage for a good 30-40 minutes. And oh my god, bro, I want to give a big shout out to them doctors, nurses, anybody that's helping out with this this dumb virus. Big shout out to them. Big shout out to UPS and all them, anybody that's working right now. Actually, like, you guys are working through like this hazardness, and I hope they're paying you good. But shout out to them. But right now I'm about to head over to Dallas's. Oh! But anyways, I'm gonna head over to Dallas. Oh my god, the lens is all fucked up. Yeah, I'm heading over to Dallas's. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, all right. I just got back to Dallas's. So me and Gus traded side skirts. These are Travis's old side skirts. Travis gave it to Gus, and I just traded him my kit for it. And I repaired it yesterday, and it looks pretty good. It's all dried up. This side's kind of ugly, but it's the inside, so ooh. But yeah, looks good. No more cracks. But on the other side, I still gotta like bondo it. Hoffman's got to show me. But yeah, there's no cracks there. You can see the crack right here, that whole line right here. And this side had a little one. I don't even know where it is, but that's a small crack. Yeah, this side was all fucked up, but taped it off, and then just gotta bondo it on the outside. But yeah, we've been doing a lot of things because of this whole virus thing, and we're just trying to stay busy, you know. And yeah, well, no one's in here. Where is everybody? Dallas is still in the bathroom. I'm gonna see if I can scare him. Stupid bitch. Still on the bathroom. I'm gonna text him right now. See, just to show him that I'm not here. He said, "What you doing?" Let's see what he replies back. Behind his door. Still in the restroom. He texted back, "Getting dressed." You better not show up in his room naked. I'm gonna be pissed. Alright, so I just let Hoffman change and shit. But how's everyone's day going? I hope it's going great. I actually have more time to actually vlog for you guys and get some videos out. Even though like we don't really have much content to release, this is more of like the old episodes, the IB family episodes I was gonna release for you guys. More of our daily vlogs, just to show you guys what we do on our quarantine days. But yeah, nothing really planned, just to record Hoffman's car, or any of the homies' cars if they want it. But yeah, here are some clips that I put together of Hoffman's car and Bob Ross's car, so check it out.
rules. And once I cut the first slice, this is what it looks like.
Guess, what are you watching?
Huh?
What are you watching?
I mean, come on. This is the most beautiful piece of meat I've ever seen.
What you doing there? When are you gonna put that rear lip back on? You're not gonna put it back on? Here's Hoffman's car, if you guys are new to the channel. Travis riding his 50 down here. That thing sounds pretty cool. Dude, that shit looks old as fuck.
Like, it has a freaking muffler, everything. The shocks are all nice.
Yeah, that looks pretty upgraded. Is it quick?
It's an 88 kit.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's shifting. What's the shifting?
Like the pattern?
Yeah.
I think it's only 3 gears. I only felt 3. But it's just up and then down is neutral. And down shift.
So 1, 2, 3 upward.
Yeah.
Let Hoffman ride it.
Alright?
There's no clutch, by the way, is there? Yeah,
No, there's no clutch.
You want gloves? It's kind of sticky.
So wait, you said up and then down for neutral?
Yeah.
Hey, it sounds pretty cool. I like how it's like really deep. It's pretty deep.
Yeah, because I was just... Bro, the idle was high as fuck.
Oh fuck!
Just fucking with it. And then finally, I don't know if it's like running right or not, but it made it here.
You should make it.
But that shit was sticky.
But I'm talking about, he said, I don't even know it, but I still made it here. Nigga, you live right here.
You live down the street. It's quick.
Bro, I'm too used to my bike. I went, did you hear me?
We out here just
It's the Iceyyyboyz.
the Iceyyyboyz. We out here just working on dirt bikes or anything that's broken. Being bored as shit. Oh.
Rip, I guess. I'm gonna do some wheelies.
Show us some wheelies, Hoffman. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Almost ate shit, bro. Do a wheelie, Trav. Right here. I'm gonna scoot back a little.
Yeah, no, I forgot.
Oh, because of Adal's bike. He acts like he's going like 80, dog. Hey, is your wheel supposed to be scooted like that?
What?
Like scooted all the way to the right? Is that what it's supposed to? Is it supposed to be like that?
It's all to the right.
Yeah. Or is it supposed to be in the middle?
Fucked it up last time, so...
Oh, so you don't know? I don't know. That was kind of sketch. Grab my bike? By the time I grab my bike, the sun's gonna be down.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, see? And then I have to drive home like that. Cop's gonna pull me over. What are you doing? You're supposed to be social distancing.
Came off the brake.
Do a wheelie, bro. All right, I'm riding with. Oh shit! There you go. There you go. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Oh shit, deuces.